Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Telegram verification code problem. When try to verification show this error. Let's see how to solve. Go to phone setting or open on phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps option. Click on see all app. Scroll down or search Telegram apps. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on cache. Go back Telegram app info page. Click on permission. All permission allow on Telegram. All permission allow and Telegram apps. Go back home screen. Now open on Telegram. Now verification code send option showing. Thanks for watching.